Alright guys, here I am in the pre-op. Get my knee shaved. And yep, going in about half an hour. Having this baby replaced here. It's been good to me so far. Just took a lot of beating. Down to bone on bone now. What you have to do to prepare for this surgery is to stop taking most of your medications ahead of time. They'll tell you which ones. You make a list of your medications, bring them in with you the morning of, and let's see what else. You fast from midnight the night before. No liquids, no coffee in the morning. Stop doing all your drugs, like I said. And I'll let you know how I am on the other side.